Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if you have no SIM card detected on your Realme 11 Pro Plus. So, at first I do recommend to take the SIM card tray opener, which looks like exactly like this. This comes with your phone, and it may look different, but this is this tool, this needle, and now we have to search for the SIM card tray, which is here, and place it into this hole right here. Now push it into this and remove the SIM card tray. Now here, as you can see, we have something on the screen, but it doesn't matter. Let's remove this SIM card from here. And now what we're gonna do is to wipe the surface of the SIM card. You can use the microfiber cloth, but not wet. You have to do it very softly. And now you can place your SIM card back in your phone. It's because your SIM card may be oily, maybe something like that, and cannot be detected by your phone. Now we can place it back again in here so that it fits well, and now we can check if we have SIM card detected or not. I do. What about you? If your issue is now fixed, let me know in the comments. Let's move to the next step. Now, if you have cleaned your SIM card and if you have removed and reinserted the SIM card, I do recommend to test the SIM card with the another phone to test the SIM card functionality. So here, as you can see, I do have the Samsung S20 FE, and here we can check if the SIM card works. So let's take this needle I had earlier and remove the SIM card tray from here, like this. Let me put it like this, and now let's remove the SIM card from our phone. Like that. And what we have to do now is to take this SIM card out of the tray, and now let's place it in our Samsung. It doesn't really matter which phone is it, you have to make sure that just SIM cards work there, and you will have no problem with detecting the issue. Now, as you can see, our SIM card is inserted, and if we turn on our phone, we can see that we have, as you can see, LTE and mobile data enabled and Wi-Fi calling so on. So it works on the other phone. So check your SIM card, and if it does work on the other phone, the issue might be your phone, your hardware, and yes, you have to go for the other tips that I will give you. But if it doesn't work on the other phone, you have to contact the carrier because something may be wrong with your SIM card, and this is the issue is fixed, that you can call the carrier because they will give you the new one, I think so, or just fix your issue. So that's it for the Samsung phone. Let's now jump over the Realme back again. Here we do have this SIM card tray. SIM card itself, let's put it like this. Make sure that you have, when you are inserting the SIM card, that this SIM card is on the same level of surface like your tray. Now you can place it in your phone, and your issue should be fixed. But if it isn't, as I said, we have to go further with the fixes. Go now to the system settings, and here in the system settings, go straight to the system and update over here. Here tap software update. Now our phone will check for its updates. So here, if you have any updates in your phone, update your phone immediately, because Realme may have released some quick update, quick patch fix that you haven't updated yet. You know, it will be long time ago, but yes, I know some people that don't like to update their own phones because they want to stay on the older UI versions. But it's sometimes necessary to update your phone because some issues might be fixed. As you can see here, I have not had connection because I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi. So let's go back again here to the system and update. So as I said, if you have an update, update your phone. But if you don't, let's go to the system and update back again over here and tap backup and reset. Tap reset phone and tap reset network and Bluetooth settings. Here, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings will be all reset. So yes, tap reset, and this will forget all your Wi-Fi networks you have added, all Bluetooth devices you have added, and all settings for the SIM you have made. This should fix your problem, but as I said, you have to insert the Wi-Fi networks back again and Bluetooth devices back again. And this all the fixes. If your hardware doesn't work, you have to contact the device support for the Realme device support, not your SIM, not your carrier, because if you have checked the SIM card in the other phone and it works, the issue is only your phone. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like under this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!